$17 an hour, and our first order is none other than a McDonald's. This one is going 7 miles.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Have a great day.
You as well, thank you. I kind of need a gate code. Of course, you didn't bother adding that.
Hello?
Yeah, I kind of had a feeling. No tip on that one. Total was $6. Next up, we've got a Taco Bell going 2 miles. This one, I'm guessing, has no tip on it as well.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good morning.
You as well. $1 tip. That was $5. Just got the next order. This is a Black Rock coffee going just under 5 miles. Thank you.
I hope you have a good one.
Total for that one was $6 and change, and we got the next one. This is Starbucks going 4 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $6 and change. And we just got the next order. This one's going to be for Taqueria Dom Pedro. This one's going 9 miles, and it's taking me out of my zone. It's gonna be another one of those days, isn't it? Thank you. Wait, that's actually hilarious. Okay, it took me 9 miles, whatever I said it was, to get all the way over here. And guess where they live? Down the street. Total for that order was $11 and change. Not worth it, because I gotta go all the way back home now. Bro, why do they keep doing this to me? Got a Black Bear Diner. This one is $10 going 6.5 miles now. They gave it to me as soon as I passed the exit for it, so stuck on the highway, which I guess is a good thing. It might be busy. Hello.
Hi.
I just had a pickup for Josh A.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well. Just leaving the restaurant, and they give me the next order. This is going to be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 3 miles, 3 items. What the heck are pralines? I think that's how they're pronounced. I don't even know. Going right back to Safeway, we got another shop and deliver. This one is $10 going 2 miles, 2 items.
If you have your phone.
Looks like someone's got an upset tummy. And I got the next order lined up right after this. This is going to be a kitchen table cafe, $10 going 2.5 miles. Anyone else have a tiny rat dog that barks at everything because they think they're big? Got the next order right away. This one's gonna be muchas gracias, $10 going 3 miles. It looks like they ordered Wendy's as well, and they were trying to give me that add-on, but it was not worth it, honestly. Okay, now they're giving me a Taco Bell, and it's saying it's going to the same drop-off location. Are we sure about this? This one I will be taking because they're right next to each other, and it's gonna be an additional $4, basically just to go across the street.
I
just had a pickup. I'm pretty sure that's it. Elizabeth? Yeah. Thank you. You too. I think I'm just gonna walk over to the Taco Bell. No, I'm not. I'm lazy. I should have parked in their parking lot. Then I would have walked. Hello. Is that Elizabeth? Thank you. Got this one right away. This is going to be Black Rock Coffee. $7 and change, going 2.5 miles.
That is for you.
Thank you.
Of course. Have a great day.
You too. Just got the next order. This is for a place called Dawn Angel Taqueria. This one's going 2 miles. Apparently this is a taco truck. Thank you.
Thank you.
No tip. Total was $5. We've got a stack going to the same person. We've got Krispy Kreme and Pete's Coffee. This is going 10 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $21. Okay, that was actually worth it. Surprising, but thank you. And we got the next order right away. This is Popeyes going just under 5 miles.
Go from the pickup, please.
Yeah. Total for that was $7 and change. Not bad, not bad. Current time is 10:48. Total, we are at 141, I think. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.